What up, ladies and gentlemen? It's another episode of Who's That Guy in the Boat? Oh wait, I don't have a boat. Who's that guy fishing? Anyways, just headed out to Academy. It's been raining these past couple days. It's been raining real heavily actually. So I'm headed out to go to Academy, pick up a couple jigs, and then I'm gonna head to one of my spots where I know that the rain, heavy rain, has caused a lot of water movement. So I'm gonna hit a lot of these drainage points, and I have a feeling that these bass will be stacked up in the drainage points, and they're gonna be eating all the prey, which will be like crawfish and bait fish. But yeah, y'all stick around. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, share this video. Guys, welcome to the selection here at Academy. Strike Pro, excuse me, Strike King. I like structure jigs. Half ounce will probably work. Oh, right there. You want to get at pro football jigs. There it is.
I like how you already knew it. Click.
Yeah. Little chunk. Little chunky guy. Not bad. Not a bad way to start the day. Nice little 2.5 on the football jig. Little crawl. How you doing? Nice. Oh yeah.
What about this rod? This rod is sweet.
Hell yeah. Travis got him one. Oh yeah.
Same thing. I thought it was
On a branch kind of? Yeah, yeah. Nice little healthy fish. Nice. Chunk. I'm telling you, chunky.
Great way to start this morning.
Hell yeah.
Rainy day in Houston, we fishing.
Hell yeah. Oh no, you're not throwing me. Yeah, boy. I just hooked into that nice fish and then got it to the bank and my battery died. So I was just messing with the batteries and it got off. So, but anyways, this is part of fishing. That sucked. Good job.
Jumping.
Good job. Nice one. Chunky, dude.
Slammed it.
Chunky. It's a better one. Nice. Solid fish right there. Hell yeah. This is solid 2 for sure. Hell yeah. Nice.
Right, be about 10.
Yeah, right. Hell yeah, good job. Ooh. Pound it. I'm gonna drop my damn rod. But then he got me around the log. Oh, it came off. Good fish. Good fish. Good fish. Nice. Hell yeah. It's a nice fish. Decent. I'm gonna get photos. Yeah. Pretty fish. He hit it like right there. There it is, folks. There it goes. How you doing? Oh man, that thing was. Chunky. Another nice bass right there for you folks. Look at that. jig, crawl. Look at that fish. Healthy fish today. All beautiful, healthy fish we're catching today. Nice. All solid fish, man. That thing took off like a rocket. Oh my god, dude! What is with these bass? Oh my god. What is with these fish, dude? Jeez. That was crazy.
Yeah, that was pretty cool though.
Yeah.
Both of those back in the exact same. I was like, my line's going that way.
Yeah. I love that. Yeah, yeah.
It's like my line's moving. And I was just reeling.
Yeah.
I didn't feel nothing. I just happened to look.
I love it. All the fish are chunky.
I was like,
hell yeah. I love it when the line's just moving.
I'm telling you, like I had no idea that there was a fish on. I just happened to just be reeling it slowly, and I was like,
Yeah, yeah.
slide?
I like that. Oh, you little. It's alright though. I should just leave it there and be like, come over here. He gonna spit the hook eventually. It's already hooked, so just let it swim. He almost threw the hook right there.
I just let your spool and let them just go
Yeah.
a little bit, and they come back into like Raven's school, and he was like, baby.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Here she comes. It's gonna be perfect. I'm about to.
Where do you want your keys?
Just right there. Here. Reel this in. You can step closer. He's little. It's just a little dink.
There you go.
Whatever. He's small, but oh well. It's a fish. He's cute though. Largemouth. Look at the eyes. It's a pretty good eating size right there.
Yeah?
Yeah, if you were gonna eat some of these bass, I'd want to eat them this big. Anything bigger than that, you know.
I mean, I fish off of my paddleboard.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh, your paddleboard? Oh, in Austin? No, I'm just fine. Where's my coffee at? Oh, okay, I was gonna say.
Yeah, I was gone so long, I like tore apart your car.
I know, you were
Went
like...
through everything.
You should have.
All of the stuff
Did
that
you
you were hiding.
Oh man, because I hide so much stuff from you.